Hello everybody, this is Willem here, Owasco RV. Just wanted you to see our great selections of fifth wheels. We have Jayco, Pinnacle, North Point, Eagle, Brinkley's. We have lots to choose from, as you can see. Fantastic selection of fifth wheels. So if you're in the market for a fifth wheel, don't forget to come and have a look at our great selection. We got some used ones as well. We have a Surveyor, a 28-foot. We have an Alliance. We have a 31-foot North Point as well. So if you're in the market for a fifth wheel, this is your fifth wheel superstore at 570 Rundle Road, and that's Owasco RV. Come and see what we have available. If you're in the market for a fifth wheel, prices are great. You don't want to miss these. Fifth wheel superstore here, 570 Rundle Road, Owasco RV. Come and see them for yourself.